Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas.
Say hi.
And a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding and a cup. While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late. 'Cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by for my third Christmas Clean and Decorate. Today I'm going to be tackling our master bedroom, and I was so excited to do this room this year because we have our cute little fireplace and a new flocked Christmas tree, and I absolutely love coming in this room at the end of the day and turning on all of the Christmas lights and watching Christmas movies, especially with little baby Oliver. It's so special and I cannot wait to share everything we did to make it super cozy. And baby Oliver will actually be popping in during this video to say hi. He is officially 1 month old. I cannot believe it. But if you're new here, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. My name is Lauren and I love making cleaning and decorating videos as well as lots of other homemaking content, and I'm also super excited to show y'all my morning routine with a newborn this coming Thursday. We had so much fun filming that and it is so stinking cute, and there's just going to be lots of baby content in the coming days as well. But let's go ahead and start out by throwing my favorite flannel sheets on this bed. And before we continue on with this video, I also did want to say a huge thank you to KiwiCo for sponsoring today's video.
We share. Let's come together and make memories that stay. The ones that never fade on this Christmas day. Ooh, I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late. 'Cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreen.
I always love red and white at Christmas time, and if you've been watching me for any time at all, you know that. I went ahead and picked up those little red square pillows from At Home, and then I just found that And To All a Good Night pillow at Michael's this year, and I think that's so cute. And then I picked up this red textured throw blanket from Ross, and I love that. It looks so cozy there. And then I did decide to go ahead and pop a bed basket right here. I don't always do this, but I thought it would be really cute to stick a little Christmas tree in there with a cozy Christmas candle. So we're gonna take care of that. And one of the things I'm excited to do in the new year, I don't know if y'all make your New Year's resolutions before even Christmas gets here, but I always like to make some New Year's resolutions to get excited about. And one of those things is to start antique shopping and getting little things to stick around my house that are good all year round that I can use with all of my seasonal decorations. And one of those things is going to be some antique books to stack around, because all I could find to stick under this candle to raise it up a little bit was a Bible. So we definitely need to go get our hands on some little antique books to stick around. And now I'm just going to add some garland above our bed here, and this is actually the garland that we used on our TV stand last year, and it's got little balls of cotton in it, which I think is so cute.
Storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Before I go any further, I want to tell y'all about KiwiCo. I was so excited to work with them because as a new mom, I'm trying to find anything I can to get Oliver learning and imagining and interacting. And KiwiCo is defining the future of play by making it engaging, enriching, and seriously fun. They create super cool hands-on projects and toys designed to expose kids to concepts in STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And each monthly crate is designed by experts and tested by kids, and it teaches a new theme through hands-on learning and fun. And KiwiCo offers 9 subscription lines, each catering to different age groups and topics. And I was so excited when I learned that they have something for infants. They have what you call the Panda Box, because infants love the contrast of black and white, and that's really all their eyes can process at such an early age. So now Oliver can interact with more than just our dark ceiling fan against the white ceiling. So I was really excited about that. And I was also excited that they included flashcards that have different activities and advice for parents of newborns, because sometimes I just feel like I'm boring him. Okay, Oliver, this is your first time on YouTube. Can you say hi? Say hi! He's gonna help us introduce y'all to KiwiCo today. Uh-oh. We'll be happy as soon as we open our toys, okay? Oliver loved the black and white flashcards and just staring at the shapes. And they also included a tummy time mirror, and Oliver loves just laying on his belly and staring into the mirror at all the reflections of the different objects in the room, especially the ceiling fan. KiwiCo now ships to more than 40 countries, and it's a great holiday gift. And with KiwiCo, you're not just teaching your child to buy, you're teaching them to build. And you can get 50% off your first month of any crate by going to KiwiCo/Lauren Yarbrough, listed below in my description box. And thank you so much to KiwiCo for sponsoring today's video.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
I also wanted to mention 2 of my sweet new YouTube friends who have also uploaded Christmas videos today on their channel, Cass from Cass and Home and Holly from Simply Lake and Lace. They are both so sweet and so talented, and their channels are full of all things Christmas right now, and I'm so glad that I got to collaborate with them on today's video. Make sure to go and check out their videos today and subscribe to their channels. They would absolutely love to have you, and I will have their channels linked below in my description, and make sure to let them know that I sent you. And if you are over here from one of their channels today, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you are loving all of this Christmas content as much as I am. And comment down below what y'all are looking forward to the most this season. I am so excited to celebrate my baby's first Christmas, and even though he will never remember anything, I'm having so much fun planning his stocking stuffers and all of the sweet little traditions that we're going to start as a family now that I'm a mom. Decided to keep our dresser really simple. I just added 2 little flocked trees and a little sign that says Season of Promise. And that bergamot and spice candle from Target smells so good. And then this holiday spruce candle also smells really good. I'm gonna light that here on the nightstand. And then I'm just gonna add a little simple tree to the other nightstand, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the fireplace corner.
This cold December day, on this cold December day.
This past summer, I purchased that little fireplace off Facebook Marketplace, and it was actually like a brown wood color, and I decided to chalk paint it and do some distressing, and I love the way that it looks in our room with the TV above it, and I have been looking forward to putting a Christmas tree in this corner ever since we got this fireplace. So I got this little flocked tree off Amazon, and it was such a good price. I'll go ahead and link it below. I don't know if it's still the same price because sometimes their prices fluctuate, but I'm going to go ahead and pop that up right here with a little basket base. I got that basket base from Michael's, and it's the small. I believe they have a small, medium, and large, and this one is just the small one. And I'm going to go ahead and fluff this tree, and I'm going to stick with the same theme that I did in the living room. Lots of red, white, and some metallics.
I
love adding garland to all of the flat surfaces to make them look really full and cozy. So I'm just adding this flocked garland that I found at Walmart, and I added some twinkle lights to it. I'm also going to add some snowball garland to it here in just a little bit, and I'm going to add some red candles to my white candlesticks, along with a silver metallic bell that I found at Hobby Lobby, and then just a red Merry Christmas sign that I found at home this year. And this space just looks so cozy. I love the way that it turned out, and I can't wait to show y'all the finished product.
I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for.
I felt like this other side needed some height, so I went ahead and added a little green tree behind that Merry Christmas sign. And now we're moving on to the tree, and I did just want to keep this tree in here really simple, mostly just to keep it easy for me. So I'm just going to add some red and white and metallic Christmas balls.
Following the stars that lead me straight to you, And though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you.
And even the dog needed a festive blanket. He actually ruined that, and that's why I'm going to put that in his bed right there. And now I'm just going to clean everything up. I'm going to add a few more touches, and then we're going to vacuum in here, and I'll show you the finished product. I'm going to add a little red glitter Mary pillow in this basket by the door. And then I'm going to add a little wooden reindeer over by the fireplace. And I found that at TJ Maxx, and it has little bells tied to his antlers and a little bow tie, and I think that is so cute. But now it is time to vacuum.
Make me wish you were here. I'll be home for you. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
that is going to be it for today's Christmas Clean and Decorate. I hope y'all enjoyed and got lots of Christmas decorating inspiration. I will go ahead and have my friends' channels and videos linked below so that you can jump on over and get even more inspiration. And don't forget to stop back by my channel on Thursday to see my morning routine with a newborn. Y'all are going to die. He's so cute in the morning. And thank you so much again to KiwiCo for sponsoring this video, and I will see y'all all very soon. Merry Christmas!